Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul slash a cook with me. I'm gonna cook dinner later on tonight. I don't even know what I'm gonna make yet, but I'm gonna make something, so I figured I would do like half grocery haul, half cook recipes with me. So hopefully you guys are into that. I actually filmed the grocery haul earlier though because I got home a little while ago. I just forgot to film the intro for it. Don't worry, I'm here right now filming it, but if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and like this video so that way you don't miss out on any of my fitness and weight loss videos. I'm on a weight loss journey. I'm trying to be as healthy as possible and have a really good lifestyle, so don't forget to subscribe here if you guys are new. Just before we get into the grocery haul, everything that I got was around $100 in total, and these are like my staples. I think I'm gonna show you guys tonight also like what's in my fridge and what's in my pantry that are like true staples for me. But yeah, a lot of the things that I got are like things that I always get every time I go every couple of weeks. And I do shop at Wegmans. It's my favorite grocery store, so if you guys have one near you, I highly recommend shopping there because it's amazing. When you guys are watching this, also, I believe it's Super Bowl Sunday, so go Patriots. Of course, just had to get that out there because I'm from Massachusetts, so how could I not say that if I know that this video is gonna go up on Super Bowl Sunday? You guys know where I will be, and if you don't know, I will be eating a ton of buffalo wings, a ton of, what else do I eat? Like potato skins, and drinking a ton of alcohol. I mean, not a ton of alcohol. It made me sound like an alcoholic. And I will be living my best life, hopefully watching Patriots win the Super Bowl. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's get into the groceries that I got, and I'll talk to you guys later on when I make dinner. Here, I'm just showing this because I need to put it away. I have such a big sweet tooth, so I finally, sorry, I just got a text, but I finally decided to try this. I've been seeing it at the grocery store for so long. It's frozen Greek yogurt. It's only 130 calories per serving, so it's definitely lower calorie. I've tried this brand before and I really like their stuff. So this is the party animal flavor. I'm sure at some point I will end up doing a taste test of this on camera, so you guys can look forward to that. Okay, now I officially have everything all laid out. As you guys can see, it's not a ton of stuff, but I have some new products here and I have some really big essentials of mine that I always have to get. I figured we'd start off with all the produce. So I have 2 tomatoes. This is a huge onion, and also I got a green pepper. Normally I get 2 or 3 of these, but these peppers were so large this time. I do not know what's going on, but they were so big, so I only got 1 for now. I got 3 of my favorite apples. If you guys haven't tried Honey Crisp, you need to. Game changer. A yellow squash and a zucchini. I haven't gotten that in so long, but I have this little recipe that I think I'm gonna make tonight. I don't know why, lately I've just really been craving fruit, so I got a ton of different things. I got clementines, tons of raspberries. These, I don't even know if these are like good for you because who knows how they make them, but it's jumbo blueberries. And then I also got some fresh pineapple. Oh, hello Fendi. Pineapple is my all-time favorite fruit when it is super yellow like this, when it's super sweet. I don't know if that's considered super ripe or what, but when it's really yellow, I have to get it because it's just my weakness. Another weakness of mine is the STEAZ ice cream teas. These are so good, so I always get one when I go grocery shopping as a little treat to myself. You guys know I love anything spicy, so I had to stock up on some buffalo sauce. I got 3 of these perfect bars. These are really good and super filling if you're on the go. So I got the chocolate, what is this one? No. This is coconut peanut butter, the original peanut butter, and then the dark chocolate peanut butter. I always see people in What I Eat in a Day making protein pancakes, so I finally decided to try it out for myself. So I don't know anything about this brand. All I know is that all you have to do is add water and you can make pancakes and waffles. So we will definitely be trying this out in a What I Eat in a Day. And then also I heard really good things about this. This is kind of expensive. It was like $8, but this is a coconut nectar sweetener. So basically, as you guys can see, they're kind of using it as a syrup. There is 13 grams of sugar per serving, which is still a lot, definitely. But then I looked on regular maple syrup, and regular maple syrup had like 55 grams of sugar. So I was like, oh boy, okay, I'm gonna get this one. So we'll try that out. I'm sure it doesn't taste as good, but we'll see. I have never used basmati rice in my life, but for some reason I feel like I'd really like it. So I picked that up. This is kind of the bread area. So I always get naan, the garlic kind. This is what I make my little individual sized pizzas on, and it's so good. So I highly recommend. Lately I've just really been liking English muffins, so I got some cinnamon raisin ones. These are just good to have in the morning if you need a quick breakfast. These are whole wheat wraps. They're 80 calories, low carb. Thought those would be good for quesadillas or, you know, just veggie wraps, anything of that sort. These right here are to help me prevent ordering takeout. So sometimes when I get a really big craving, I order takeout and I end up spending way too much money and just like feeling gross afterwards. So I figured if I have these in my freezer, you know, when I'm craving something like french fries and all those unhealthy things, I can just have these and it'll hopefully curb the craving. Then right here, I've never tried these before. These are by the Wegmans brand, but it's just their, oh my gosh, you just are relentless. It's their almond milk yogurts. So I got strawberry, peach, and mango. I'll let you guys know again how these taste, but I'm excited because I don't know, I just never knew that Wegmans made them. I don't go through a lot of cheese, but bless you. I don't go through a lot of cheese, but I was running out of my Mexican cheese blend, which I do use occasionally. Then as for my greens over here, I just got some Caesar romaine and some baby spinach to put in eggs and smoothies and everything. Then the very last thing in this haul video is some thin sliced chicken breast cutlets. Normally I get chicken cutlets or chicken tenderloins. I've never seen the thin sliced chicken breast before, and I thought that that would be really helpful for me because I normally need like thin chicken for most of my recipes, so we'll see how that goes. Stop making so much noise. Look at Lulu too. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have my hands full. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this away now and then check back with you guys in a little bit. Finally time to make something to eat. To be honest with you guys, I'm actually not that hungry yet, but one thing that I'm trying to learn about myself, I think that weight loss a lot of times is all about learning the things that like you are and the way that you react to certain things and the things that you do. One thing, for instance, that I know I really am not the best at is I will wait until I am like borderline starving to make myself something to eat. And when I get to that point, I just want to eat anything and everything, and I never have enough time to like actually cook a good meal for myself because I just like want something quick. And normally, you know, the really quick foods are not really the best foods for you. So I'm learning to kind of have better time management and realize that although I'm not hungry right this second, I probably will be in like 30 minutes by the time my food is done cooking, which is like the perfect time frame. So I'm trying to get on a little bit more of a schedule and just like, I don't know, be more smart with the way I do things. But as you guys saw, I just cut up a ton of veggies. So I cut up a little bit of onion, a little bit of green pepper, some squash, and some zucchini. What I was originally gonna do is make like a veggie quesadilla and kind of put all of these veggies, saute them, put them in a wrap with a little bit of cheese and have that. But then I remembered, one second. So in this cabinet, I remembered that I have my absolute favorite rice. I get this at Target. It's by the Archer Farms brand. Oh my god, I just realized that this is basmati rice, which I literally just told you guys that I'd never had before, but this is basmati rice. Okay, wow. This is like my all-time favorite rice. Their coconut rice is so good, and I remembered that I had like half a serving left of this. So I think what I'm gonna do is just chef it up and kind of saute the veggies. I think I'm gonna add some chicken into it as well, and then have the other serving of this rice and just call it like a little rice veggie chicken bowl, you know? Kind of like Chipotle, but like way healthier. I don't know, this is kind of just like a makeshift dinner, but I think it's gonna be really good because this rice, you guys, I'm telling you, go to Target and pick this up. You will not regret it. It's so good and it's so easy to make. You literally just have to put it in a skillet on your stovetop for like 5 minutes and it's done. And then I'm just gonna add all of the veggies in. It smells so bomb. Look at that. That looks so good. This is probably, just so you guys know, gonna give you like 2 servings of veggies, so I'm definitely not gonna use this whole thing in my bowl tonight because that would be a lot. But I mean, you could if you wanted to, if you were extra hungry. I didn't work out today, so I really don't need that much. And honestly, I don't even know if you guys can hear me over the sizzle that is happening right now. I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite seasonings. Now I use these to season the chicken, and then I'll also probably put a little bit of the salt and the onion and garlic powder in the veggies as well. But these are all the seasonings that I normally use on my chicken. So I have sea salt. This is Goya all-purpose seasoning. I only use a little bit of this. Use it sparingly because you don't want to have too much sodium, but this is really good and it adds a lot of flavor to your chicken. We have some pepper, of course. I'm a pepper fiend. And then 2 of my all-time favorites are the onion powder and the garlic powder. I recommend keeping this at like a medium to low heat, just so that way, you know, you don't burn anything and they cook at a nice slow pace. Here's a final look at what everything looks like. So I added the rice. It takes about 3 minutes, maybe 4 to cook. And then I also added in the chicken. All the veggies are in there. One thing I wish I had, you guys, was some mushrooms because I think that would be really good too. So if you guys have mushrooms in your house when you go to make this, add them in for me. You guys, how cute are these new bowls that I just got? These are from Target. They're literally just plastic. I love the color on them, like baby blue, yes please. And they're only like $3. So thank you, Target, for the most adorable bowls ever. I wish you guys could be here right now to smell this with me because, oh, it smells well. So this definitely isn't the most presentable thing in the world. You know, it doesn't look like a culinary chef made this. If you guys make this, trust me, it tastes so good. I already had like a spoonful. For a little dressing on top, I got this sauce from Target. It's kind of like a spicy soy sauce. I have no idea how to pronounce that word, so I apologize. So I'm just gonna say it's a spicy soy sauce because that's what it tastes like to me. I've been using this a lot with my rice recipes and I absolutely love it. So the serving size is 1 tablespoon. I normally do like that much. And that right there is dinner. Let me move it over here so that way it looks prettier. All right, so it is officially time to eat. I'm so hungry and dinner looks and smells so good. It's definitely a really hearty meal, but you get your veggies in, you get your protein in from the chicken, and the rice will keep you super full. So I definitely recommend trying this recipe out, and if you guys do, make sure to let me know. So I finished eating a little while ago, and honestly I've just been chilling. I just did my skincare routine, which is irrelevant, but I just did that. So I washed my face and everything, and now I'm about to head off to my boyfriend's house to do some editing. It's like 8:30 now, and honestly all I'm probably gonna have for the rest of the night is just some tea at his place. I'll probably make some green tea while I edit, and I guess with that concludes the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got at the grocery store and some of my staples. I love going grocery shopping. It's like so therapeutic for me and it makes me so happy. So I always love being able to show you guys what I bought because it just brings me even more joy. But I wanted to also let you guys know I had a bite of that Yasso, I hope that's how you're supposed to say it, party animal Greek yogurt ice cream. That was a long name, but I had a little sample of that, if you will, like just a little spoonful, and it was so good. Like a million, trillion, cajillion times better than Halo Top, which I don't even not like Halo Top, but it just tasted so much better. So if you guys are interested in like a low-cal ice cream, highly recommend it, even though it is for the whole thing like 520 calories or something like that, and I think Halo Top is like 320, 350, so it's a little bit more calories. I think it's worth it because it tastes, like I said, so much better. If you've had Halo Top before, you know it has like this very specific taste to it, and it's kind of like a weird texture, like it's kind of gritty, and this one doesn't have that at all. It honestly just tastes like regular ice cream, and it has like full-on chunks of like sprinkles and cake in it. Sorry, I'm going on and on about an ice cream that you guys probably do not care about, but if you do, make sure to try it out. I'm definitely gonna go back to the grocery store and get like every other flavor because I want to try them all. Maybe I should do a video on here where I like test out a bunch of different protein or like low-cal ice creams. I could like test out all the flavors of them. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that, but I'm just gonna end off this video here because I gotta get going. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon.